Hello everybody, my name is Tyler and today I'm going to show you how to create your own iPhone mockups to present your screenshots of your app or desired screens for that matter. So we're going to start off in Photoshop and we're going to create really any dimension you want to work with is fine, but we're going to work with 1920 by 1080 canvas today. I'll show you my screenshots here. These are taken with my Canon P3i 550D, but you can honestly take these with an iPhone. If you have another phone, just take a picture of your iPhone. You know, it doesn't really have to be too insane of a quality shot. You know, just really too given what you need to be working with here. Just kind of make your own call on that. But yeah, so really, if you can just take a shot of an iPhone, you holding it, or whatever you want it to look like, anything will work there. And then all I did was take a screenshot from my iPhone and then I sent it to myself through the iMessage app. I pulled it up. Really, you can email it to yourself. Somehow find a way to get it from your phone, your screenshot from your phone, onto your Mac into Photoshop. But today we're just going to be working with 2 screenshots and just this one for now on. For right now, we're just going to work with that perspective. So let's jump into it. So we got our 1920 by 1080 and we're going to hit create. Alright, so let's start off by dragging this into our canvas and let's size it up a little bit here. So pretty good screenshot, I'd say. Let's name that. We'll name it screenshot. Let's jump back into here and we will work with, this one for right now. We'll drop that into our canvas. And before you hit anything, don't hit stop or check mark yet. We're going to size it up about that size. And this is just to kind of prevent a lot of the loss data. So we get really nice clean edges. But we'll rename it. We'll just, oh wait. This one is going to be, call that one iPhone, and then we'll name this one screenshot. My bad. A little bit ahead of myself there. So what we're going to do is, now that it's sized up like that, we're going to go and hit rasterize layer. And we're going to size it down. Like that. We're going to click OK. Let's jump back in here, and we're going to go right click again and go convert to smart object. Alright, click that and you know you clicked it because you'll have this little paper down here. So get it, you know, relatively close to the size of your phone screen right here. You know, if you yeah, like right about there. And then what you're gonna do is hit edit again. We're gonna go to transform, distort, like that. And we're gonna grab the top wedge here and we're gonna get it to this corner of this. Take the bottom left here and align it with that corner. And then we'll take this one, put it the same place, get it pretty well here. And then we'll take this top corner and put this in its place as well. Okay, then we have it pretty well done right now, so we'll just click check mark. And if you see any of this, you know, your background on there, which you probably will the first time like I just did, all you got to do is just hit distort again, go back up there and just resize it to that. So it's probably not perfect right now, but just for tutorial's sake and time, I'll just leave it as it is. So now we got this cool looking phone screen. Already looks believable that I would be watching Netflix outside, I guess. So from there, we're just gonna go to effects. While we have our screenshot selected, we're gonna go to effects and we're gonna go gradient overlay. And click the drop down menu. And we're going to select the one that's black to white. hit that reverse so it's going that way, because we want the light to be, if you think about it, the sun, whatever, would be up here. So we want it to be shooting down. So the top of the phone is going to be light here. In most scenarios, you know, if you can get it that way, it'd be good. So we want the white up here. And you can always adjust the opacity and just mess around with how you think it would look good. It's a little bit too strong there. I like 10. So I'm going to leave it at 10. If you want to, you can, you know, pause the video, look at these settings, write them down. But I'm working with 10% opacity. And yeah, so I'm going to click OK. And now this is the fun part. So we're almost done here. And what we're going to need to do is, remember how we made this a smart object? Smart objects are editable, so if you go back into this and we're going to double click on this square, you're going to get the unedited version. Just the raw, no effects, no distort, nothing. So now what you can do is go and open up where you have your other screenshot. We're going to drag it on top here, and then we're going to click that. We're going to click Save. And then we're going to click Close. And now, as you can see, we got this on there. It's got the effects, it's got gradient overlay, the distort, and you can pretty much, you need to change it again, you can go back through, add another screenshot, do whatever you want to, and then hit Save, and it'll be back to normal. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. It's my first one I've done on this channel. If any of you have any suggestions on what you'd like to learn, I'm thinking about doing a Illustrator basics, just really diving into the tool set in there, whether it's that, Photoshop tutorials, After Effects tutorials. Let me know what I can do, and I appreciate your time watching this. I hope this was short enough and easy to follow. If not, leave a comment. If you have a question, I will get back to you as fast as I can. Once again, thanks for watching.